Hi everybody, welcome back to Blazing Trails blog videos. Thanks once again for joining me. What we're going to do today is behind me over here. Where are we? You can see mountains in the distance, and I haven't been on that side of the highway, so we're going to see if we can find trails that lead over there. Plus, to make an added little difference today, suddenly realized I could simulate a GoPro, and we're going to try it today. And how we're going to do that is I have taken my dash cam. I bought a dash cam for use in my motorhome for this trip. I'd watched too many YouTube videos of people cutting other people off and doing brake checks and people saying how glad they were they had it on camera on dash cam. So I bought a dash cam, and I suddenly thought, hey, that dash cam came with two different types of mounts, and I used the other mount for mounting it to the front of my quad. See it there? So we're gonna, oh, there it is. So we're gonna try that today and see how it works. It's a pretty picturesque little spot here. Look at all the jumping cholla here, or teddy bear cholla, I believe is its nickname. We're gonna kind of head that way. I'm either gonna follow this trail or there's another one going up over here. Pretty cool, guys. Yeah, I don't know if you guys noticed on that that dash cam camera, it looks like there's an opening to a mine over here. So, remember my knees are bad, folks. Just forgive me for my grunting. So let's wander over here and have a look. Wow. Oh, be a good little shelter though. Nice long distance view there. Anybody watching my videos, I want you to remember something. I'm down here by myself. I'm almost 65 years old, and so I'm cautious. I've lived by myself actually in my motorhome for almost 10 years now, and I used to live out on a wilderness property west of Calgary. And you know, you got to be careful. You know, you take risks, and you know, if I fell or get injured or something out here, although I have my Garmin InReach with me, it's just not a good plan. So you might see me the way I'm driving, or some things I might not do. You might think, oh, you know, you're kind of a chicken. Well, call me what you want. I'm going to be cautious down here, and I don't want to, although I have medical insurance, I don't want to have to use it, okay? Well, you guys, just out here riding around the desert, as you've seen, and all of a sudden I come across this pile of rocks. So let's this used to be a building, or what? Yeah, I think so. It's concrete, like maybe a stove used to sit there or something. Kind of neat. Interesting. There's a little plateau over there, and I see some pads, look like concrete pads down at the base. Just a minute here, let's zoom in on that. See that? So we'll go over there and see what's going on over there. Maybe maybe used to be a mine there, I'm guessing, but yeah, whatever. We'll find out. Just out today exploring. Pretty good view looking out across the desert there, man. There's a long distance view for you. I'm shooting towards Beauce. That's all the Beauce area over there. Lots of trails over on this side of the highway. I'm glad I come over here today. I'm interested to see how that dash cam worked out being on the front of the quad.